Hey guys, here's a super underrated Temu new user methods that actually really easy and works like a charm. Make sure you stick around till the end so you don't miss any key steps. So here's how it works. First, open your Temu app, tap the U tab, and go to the Earn Credits and Free Gifts section like this. Pick the reward program you want to join, like cash rewards or free gifts. Tap and bite to get tokens, and then copy your referral link or code. Now, send that referral link to just one person, ideally a family member or close friends who's never used Temu before, like your mom, dad, or sibling. Once they sign up using your link, tell them to do the same thing. Share their new link with someone they know. That person sign up and then passes it on to someone else, and so on. It creates a chain effect, all starting from you. One invite turns into 2, then 4, then 8, and it keeps growing. If you get a few people to start their own referral chain, you'll stack up rewards fast with barely any effort. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.